Let me introduce our practice area called Management Advisory Services. There are different ways we do this. The most common one is to help a company set up a new manufacturing facility. So we're not going to manage the whole project, including construction and so on, but very often, if you want to set up a new factory, you need to have really good planning on how to do it in different phases and so on, and how to really think right now of the building and the layout and the processes that you will need to make your products with very high performance, quality, cost, and delivery, right? Number two that we do quite often is operational due diligence on manufacturing organizations. So we look at different parts of their organization and the way they have been doing business. It's not just about manufacturing, it's also about their purchasing and the way they manage their materials and inventory and so on. Number three is support to private equity firms. And this is something we are doing more and more. Actually, companies that want to buy Chinese factories, that want to operate Chinese factories, very often need some extra support. They might not need us to actually be there all the time and do the management, but they might need some consultants who come in and provide technical guidance and managerial support.